This is CrossWeave, a new interface for social media. Most social media looks like this pane on the left. CrossWeave preserves this pane and everything that you love or hate about it. You can click on a post in your feed and see replies from your friends. Your friends are kind of smart and they might say some things, but there are thousands of people talking right now about this topic, the US auto industry. What would they have to say about your friends' posts? Well, now you're going to find out, because their best thoughts, arguments, concerns, predictions, and proposals are popping up in the right margin. They didn't actually reply in your friend's thread, but they posted other remarks, and CrossWeave tries to retrieve the most relevant ones. Those are like pseudo-replies, at least if you look at the right sentences. CrossWeave highlights those sentences for you. Are you curious why it retrieved this post? Just hover over this blue text, and CrossWeave shows how it responds to the post in the left column. CrossWeave tries to show a mix of different comments about the post on the left, mostly to show off all these pretty colors, but also to give you lots of different angles to broaden your perspective. If you're specifically interested in one type of comment, like connections to other topics, you could focus in on those. CrossWeave tries to put the most relevant and interesting posts near the top, where you're most likely to see them. Although it starts by showing a diverse mix, you can still go deep when you want. For example, this comment from Ed Jones says that the US is plagued by corporate short-termism more broadly, a point that interests you. So who else is talking about that? Well, the tooltip tells you there's 8 more posts about short-termism in this side pane. You can just click on the highlight to pull a few of them upward in the ranking so you'll read them next. Just scroll down to skim them. After that, you can keep reading more short-termism posts by clicking here, or just scroll onward to go back to reading the rest of the posts in their original order. So maybe this post by S that hints at the environmental impact of fossil fuel gets you annoyed. You open it to see more. Here's the part that annoyed you. So you click on that part to check if anyone already said your thing. Apparently not, so you start typing. You get some immediate pushback warning you that your numbers are off. Don't worry though, no one's actually read your reply because you haven't posted it yet. This is just an AI preview of what people might say, and you don't want to look silly, so you go back and edit. We hope you've enjoyed this quick demo of CrossWeave. Again, the left pane shows traditional threaded conversations among your friends. We've augmented it with a right pane that broadens your perspective by liberating other relevant posts from their original contexts. Our design goal was to help you connect what you're already reading and writing to the broader landscape of viewpoints, arguments, and users. That may be interesting for you, and when the topics bear on public policy, it's also good for society if you aren't trapped in an echo chamber, but know enough to discuss constructively with your fellow citizens.